YouTube channel. My name is Francismark Salvador Asis. Still, Franmark the Bachata Lover is my channel. So this video will help for you guys to protect from virus, which is Corona. So just a brief introduction for this virus started. So on December 31, 2019, that was last year, the World Health Organization was alerted. Okay, they become warned because of few or several cases came out having a pneumonia in Wuhan City. Okay, it's in the province of China, which is the Hubei. The virus did not match with the other known viruses. When a virus is new, we do not know yet how it affects people. So with this issue from China, 1 week later, guys, on January 7, Chinese authorities confirmed a new virus. The new virus is a coronavirus. So, which is a family of viruses that includes common cold, SARS, and MERS. Yung SARS, ito po yung Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, and MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. So they are all family, guys. This new virus was temporarily named novel coronavirus. The symptoms includes fever, coughing, and most especially, guys, shortness of breath, because it really affects our lungs afterwards. Unfortunately, guys, there is no vaccine available yet. So supporting care for symptoms, meaning to say, is symptomatic care only. So if there is fever, they will just give paracetamol to lower the fever. Or if there is phlegm or very productive cough, they need to remove, of course. Or non-productive cough, if it's dry cough, they will just give mucolytic to expel it out, all the fluid or the phlegm. How do you reduce your risk for acquiring this infection or acquiring this coronavirus infection? World Health Organization recommends the following. So number 1, regularly clean hands before and after doing anything. Especially if you're a nurse or you're handling sick people, you have to wash before and after thoroughly with soap, especially if you have antibiotic soap or antibacterial soap. You can use that to avoid any infection to acquire. So guys, number 2, we have to cover our nose and mouth, especially if you are sneezing or coughing, to avoid spreading this bacteria or virus infection that we are acquired. Especially if you are sick, guys. Avoid coughing in front of people, guys. Okay? Don't forget that. If you use tissue, guys, especially, or any clothes or anything, if you are sick, if you cough, guys, that tissue you must directly throw it to the garbage, okay? And if you use cloth or towel, wash it right away or throw it. Do not use it again. If you cough, definitely again before and after, or anything else that you do, hand washing. So if you cough, of course, we will cover our mouth, our nose. We need to wash our hands again, okay? Don't forget that, because later on, sometimes we are forgetting, no? So you have to wash it thoroughly again with antibacterial soap. Don't forget that. Always wash your hands. If you are sick or the virus is already spread, to protect ourselves, number 3, we have to wear mask. If your mask is already wet or dirty, you have to throw it right away and keep it in the closed basin, okay? Or put it in the plastic, then throw it in the garbage. So don't ever reuse any mask because it's already infected with any bacteria. So after removal of the mask, if you throw it, you have to wash your hands again because that one is dirty. Since you use the mask dirty, you have to wash it. You have to wash your hands again. So avoid, another one, guys, avoid contact or any close contact with having a flu, colds, cough, or any symptoms that might have this virus. Though you don't know yet if you're having this virus, but sometimes no symptoms, but that person is carrying the virus. When you are, guys, cooking, cook thoroughly your meat, okay, and also especially the eggs, chicken, thoroughly cook all of that before you eat. Next, avoid unprotected contact with live, wild, or farm animals. So if you have farm over there, guys, avoid contact with them right now, because really, or if you will contact them, at least make sure you are having protection for yourselves. So guys, as universal precaution, always wash your hands before and after, especially if you're handling patients or sick person. Always wash your hands before and after. Also, if you before cooking or whatever you are doing, wash your hands, especially in preparing the food. Okay, before and after your food will become prepared, wash your hands. And also, after cleaning your toilet, guys, you better wash thoroughly again your hands. And if you have animal in the house, again, wash your hands. So this is a universal precaution. Always aseptically wash our hands. Yes, guys, if you're sick, guys, if you feel having fever, cough, and cold, or any signs and symptoms of influenza or flu, you better consult the doctor. Okay? Directly tell your history, all. If you travel somewhere else, in China, in Taiwan, or anywhere else, guys, tell your doctor. And if you are sick, guys, avoid crowded places, okay? Avoid public transport. Avoid traveling. Don't ever travel if you are sick, guys, okay? Don't push yourselves to travel. If you really need to travel, you must have at least the approval of your doctor that you are allowed to travel. Meaning to say, you are approved by the doctor and you have the medical certificate. You know why? Because if you transfer to the other airport, definitely if they have scan that you are sick, guys, directly they will isolate you. So especially if you're traveling in, actually right now, all airports, all countries are really very, very alert with this kind of issue, especially Wuhan Virus, no? So that's why they are very active now to check, to scan those passengers having fever or if you are sick. So they can scan you, guys. And please, don't take risk your life to travel somewhere else if you are really sick, guys. Don't put yourself to travel and don't put your lives in a risk. And guys, if you become sick when you are traveling, inform the crews, the cabin crews, that you are having a fever or anything else. At least directly they will give you immediate treatment, okay? Or like if you are fever, they will give you paracetamol or any medicine that could lower your temperature. Okay? That one is for your travel. If you are really sick, guys, avoid spitting your saliva or your phlegm outside in public, guys, to avoid spreading of bacteria or viruses that you might have. Okay. Practice food safety. Sick animals and animals that have died of diseases should not be eaten, guys. Meaning to say, if that animal is already dead or they die because of sickness or disease, don't ever try to eat that, okay? So, those people easily to acquire the disease, the coronavirus, are, guys, infants, elderly having different issues with their health, such as diabetes, respiratory diseases, heart disease, guys. Very easy for them to acquire this bacteria, this virus. So really, you have to take care of yourselves, guys, because really it's easy for you to get these diseases. And also, if you are immunodepressed, okay, like if immune system is really down, it's easy for you guys to acquire this virus. So for now, at least better you stay at home. Okay, don't go somewhere else. If you really want to go somewhere else, you have to protect yourself. Okay, you know already because I advise you guys in this video. So that's it, guys. So don't forget to like this video, share it. Okay, comment down below, guys, if you have any correction or any suggestion that might help to this video, guys. Put it there. Okay, comment down below. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so this will be the official video, at least for us, to help people having this kind of situation in the world. So at least this video might help for everyone. So thank you guys again for watching. So I'll see you on our next video, guys. Bye, guys.